Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of Learn English World Video. My name's Claudia and today we're learning about the family. We upload videos regularly, so make sure to click that big red button and subscribe. Are you ready to begin today's lesson? Let's begin! So today we're learning about my family. This is a family tree. At the top, we have a grandmother, a grandfather. On the right side, we have a father, a mother. On the left side, we have auntie and uncle. Then we have sister, brother, and I. I also have cousins on my left. Female or masculine, they're both cousins. This is grandfather. Grandfather. And this is grandmother. Grandmother. Grandmother and grandfather. Who do we have over here? This is father. Father. And on our right, we have mother. 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 Mother and father. Who's this? This is brother. Brother. And this is sister. Sister. This is my sister and my brother. This is my cousin. He's upset today. And on the right, we have my big cousin. It doesn't matter if they're a boy or a girl, they're both cousins. Uncle. Auntie. This is my uncle and my auntie. Uncle. Auntie. Guess who? Who's this? In this next section, we're going to guess who's who. This is my family. And that's my cat. My family. This is my family. My family are eating cake together. Who do you think this is? Who is he? Who do you think it is? That's right, he's my father. That's my father. That's my father. Who do you think this lady is? Who is she? Have a guess. That's right, she's my mother. My mother. My mother. Who do you think this old man is? Who is he? Have a guess. That's right, he's my grandfather. Who do you think this lady is? Who could she be? Who is she? Have a guess. That's right, that's my grandmother. She is my grandmother. What about this little boy? Who is he? He's my brother. He is my brother. What about this little girl? Who do you think she is? Who is she? Who is she? That's right, she is my sister. Who's this lady? Who do you think she is? Who is she? She is my auntie. My auntie's working very hard. Who is this? Who is he? Who do you think this is? That's right, he is my uncle. Who is she? Who do you think this girl is? Have a guess. You're right, she is my cousin. She is my cousin. Who is he? Who do you think this boy is? Take a guess. That's right. He's my cousin. He is my cousin. So let's revise today's vocabulary and what we learnt today. We learnt about grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, brother, sister, and cousin. Feel free to revise what we have learnt today. If you're confused about any sections, rewind the video and watch it again. And that was all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. Make sure you hit that big red button so that you are informed and up to date with all our newest lessons and content. That's all for today, guys. Take care, study hard, and look after yourselves. See ya!